Officer, thank you for seeing me. I'm really upset about what happened. Someone stole my purse while I was on my way home from the office.
I understand how distressing that can be. Don't worry, we're here to help. Can you please provide me with some details about the incident?
Of course. It happened around 6 p.m. I was walking through the park, and suddenly I felt a tug on my shoulder. When I turned around, my purse was gone.
Did you notice anyone suspicious around at that time?
Yes, actually. There was a man who seemed out of place. He was wearing a dark hoodie and seemed to be loitering near the park entrance.
That's helpful information. Can you recall any distinguishing features or characteristics of the suspect?
Yes, he had a beard and was of average height, maybe around 5 feet 10 inches. I remember he had a tattoo on his left forearm, but I couldn't make out what it was.
All right. Did anyone witness the incident? Perhaps someone nearby or any security cameras in the vicinity?
I'm not sure about the witnesses, but there is a security camera at the entrance of the park. Maybe it captured the incident.
Great. We'll definitely check the footage from that camera. Did the purse contain any valuable items or documents?
Yes, unfortunately. It had my wallet with my identification cards, credit cards, and some cash. There was also my smartphone, keys, and a few personal belongings.
I understand the urgency to cancel your cards. Please provide us with the necessary information so we can start investigating the case.
Here are the details of my credit cards and identification cards. I've already contacted my bank and canceled the cards.
That's a good step. We'll also need your contact information in case we need to reach you for further updates.
Of course. Here's my phone number and email address.
Thank you for providing all the necessary information. We will do everything we can to apprehend the suspect and recover your belongings. Meanwhile, I suggest keeping an eye on your accounts and notifying the authorities if you notice any suspicious activities.
I will definitely do that. Officer, is there anything else I can do to help with the investigation?
At the moment, you've been very cooperative, and we appreciate that. If anything comes to mind later or if you remember any additional details, please don't hesitate to contact us. We'll keep you updated on any progress we make.
Thank you, officer. I really hope you catch the person who did this. It's been quite a shock for me.
We'll do our best. Remember, stay cautious and be aware of your surroundings. If you have any concerns or questions, don't hesitate to reach out. We're here to support you.
I will, officer. Thank you for your help and reassurance.
We hope you thoroughly enjoyed this conversation. If you're eager to further enhance your English skills, we warmly invite you to subscribe to our channel. If you found value in this video, we kindly request you to share it with a friend who might also benefit from it. Thank you sincerely for your unwavering support. Your encouragement means the world to us. Take care and keep learning.